How to delete all posts on Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you switch to your Facebook page. After switching on to your Facebook page, just tap on your profile at the top right, then tap on your name. Then all you have to do is tap on the three dotted lines over here beside the advertise option, and then tap on the activity log option, which is available right here. So tap on activity log, and as you tap on activity log, you'll be led to a new page where you can see your Facebook activity over here. So just tap on your Facebook activity and then scroll down to post and select on manage post. So here you'll be able to see all of your posts. Now if you want to delete any of these, or if you want to delete all the posts, you just have to tap on the three dotted lines beside every post and then tap on view, or you can just directly go to three dotted lines and tap on move to trash and then tap on move to trash again, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.